से कई लोगों ने जेएनयू में पूछा, आप जेएनयू के स्टूडेंट हैं, एल्यूमिनाई हैं, टीचर हैं, आप लोग आखिर यहाँ क्यों हैं? तो और उसके बाद सबने बोला थैंक यू कि आप लोग यहाँ आए। मगर हमारा पॉइंट ये है कि जो लड़ाई आप कर रहे हैं वो सारे देश की लड़ाई आप अपने कंधों पे अकेले लड़ रहे हैं। लोग भूख हड़ताल पे बैठे हुए किसके लिए? हमारे लिए, हमारे बच्चों के लिए और इस देश की जनरेशन के लिए। तो हम जो भी कुछ कर पाए और साथ दे पाए वो बहुत कम है। तो शुक्रिया आप लोगों का, हमारा नहीं बिल्कुल। The Mother's Manifesto on Mother's Day. We are the mothers of this generation. We stand where Radhika Vemula stood with Rohit. We are the sisters, friends, and comrades of the actual mothers of the students struggling at JNU, at Hyderabad, at Jadavpur, at FTII, at universities and colleges and institutes all across this land. We are the mothers of all the children who would rather stay hungry than given to injustice. We are here for all our children, for all the young, for the future. No mother can bear to see her child hungry. But here we are today in JNU on the 8th of May, spending this Sunday with our hungry children. We share their hunger. We too are hungry for justice. We will sit with these young people in hunger and in the sun because we choose solidarity over indifference, rage over regret, love over apathy. We are here because we want these courageous young people to live and study and change the world. A mother is a person who nurtures, protects and supports children in their struggles, provides space for their growth, shelters their questions and lets them flourish. We want the best for this generation. We want the best schools, the best colleges and the universities. We want the best libraries and the best gyms and sports fields and swimming pools. We want them for all our children, regardless of class, caste, religion or gender. We want them to be affordable. We want them now. We want universities where our children can fall in love with learning, with life. We will not allow schools and universities to turn into prisons where our children's minds are shackled. We will not let the state turn our children into criminals or zombies or slaves. We, the mothers of this generation, want the best for our children. We are learning from them the joys of struggle. We know that what the cruelty of the Vice Chancellor, what the cruelty of the Vice Chancellor and the government that stands behind him is the very worst thing that they have encountered in their lives. We want that to change. We want these children to live and we want their universities to be spaces that nurture their ability to question, to doubt everything, to think, to aim like Rohit for the stars. The Vice Chancellor of JNU, the minister who sits above him and makes such a big deal about being a mother, and the government that backs them to the hilt, and the fascists who are grinning on the sidelines. We warn them all, don't dare harm our children. Don't mess with mothers. If what you do turns our love into anger, and then nothing will stand in the path of our flaming rage. Mothers can nurture, but angry mothers can also destroy. Do not underestimate our love or our rage. Thank you.
The Mother's Manifesto